Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free lineups on PrizePicks. So here we can see types of promotions and free lineups. Free lineups are fairly straightforward. You may submit one lineup that does not remove any funds from your account. The entry fee is predetermined by PrizePicks and cannot be adjusted by members. That means you cannot adjust your free lineup account because it will be given to you by the PrizePicks. If you have a free lineup available, we will notify you directly. You can find the details for any free lineups you are eligible for by navigating the promotions tab in the app. Just follow the instructions where selecting the lineup type and the number of squares and leave the fee amount blank. Winning lineups will be awarded in promo funds according to standard payout rates. So as you can see, you have no control over free lineups. It's completely up to PrizePicks. So they will let you know if you have a free lineup or not. So that's for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video.